So tonight I thought I'd try and pick a few of my federal padlocks. We're going to be picking with this lovely pick here. There's quite a few of you out there that will instantly recognise that profile. That's a Rob Lone pick. He makes some lovely picks, and this is part of my everyday toolkit. And that has seen some abuse, and it is still absolutely straight as an eye. Lovely pick. And low lock jewels, pry bar, 1.2mm should do us for what we got here. And yeah, federal padlocks. This one's an F series, 50mm, nice shackle pop, weighs a bit, good strong spring in there. Not the most inventive in the world on this one. We've got 3 highs and 3 highs and 2 lows. But we'll get it going. Now, some of you may notice that I'm a lefty. So if it really upsets you, then tune to another channel, or you can always flip the video and it'll look like I'm picking right-handed, but all the writing will be wrong. So it's your call. And we're going to pick in hand. But I like these federal padlocks. I think they're good value for money. I think, oh, nice little click there. The fun to pick, there we go. You get good feedback, good little bit of counter rotation. Pin sets feel nice. We've got an HS40P, lovely little closed shackle ping. It's like there's ting to this one. Slightly more aggressive bitting on this one. There we go. And yeah, they do a wide range of locks. I mean, this one here has an interchangeable core. So they do sell separate cores that you can just buy. Oh. And yeah, really do have something for every job. Oh. I seem to have lost this one a bit. Where are we? Let's just throw that back and start all over again. Come on, clear out. Right, before frustration sets in, let's just, there we go, right. Counter rotating, come on. It's tight in there, but there we go. And another open. I'll struggle with that one. This is a nice looking lock. I like this Federal 840 anti-corrosion. Nice bitting. Bit of everything. Nice shackle guard on this. So we'll switch our ply bar around. We'll see if we can get in with this one. I'm not being aware, but I kind of hope that I'm not taking the camera off too much, or going off camera too much, rather, should I say. But yeah, kind of trying to focus on this. Oh, there we go. Nice counter rotation there. Ooh. Seems to stick up on something, I'll drop something there. Oh, let's drop it back a bit. Where have I dropped a pin? Counter rotation. Let's see something now, right? Okay, 1, 2. Have I overset something again? It's gone a bit dead. Okay, there, no. I say, they're not always easy picks. It doesn't help when that falls out. But I'm nice and slowly into some kind of false set here, so I didn't lose anything there. But I may have to lose something to go forwards. There we go. Gosh, that was stiff. There we are. All right. I like this one. Federal 200A. That's not coming up very well now, but it's purple. It's a nice looking lock. Big, thick shackle on it. 200A. Nice bitting. Okay, another one which requires a bit of reach. So, we have an open. There we go. Federal 200A. And lastly, this monster. I should have actually weighed this. I don't know what it weighs in at. It's ridiculous. It's a 730 SS series. 730. If it's certainly a chunky lock, probably slightly insane to pick it in hand. But hey ho, that's what we're here for. So yeah, let's have a wee crack at this one. And just get that in there. Hopefully. Oh, there we go. There's a pin. Oh. Let's overset something there. There we go. Have a full set there. Readjust because the lock's just moving so far away. Another full set. Is a bit of a stretch, this. Got to be said. That's okay. Oh, what have we got? Oh, some nice counter rotation there, but I don't know where that went over. Let's just drop off a little. And we have dropped the pick and dropped the tension bar, but we have got the open. So that, about 10 minutes. There we go, guys. 10 minutes of a little fun. Federal padlocks, well worth a crack. And thanks for watching. Cheers.